Have you ever been part of a large project that felt like a chaotic mess, with teams working in silos and constant miscommunication? Well, imagine being able to streamline that chaos into a well-oiled machine, where everyone is aligned and working towards a common goal. That's the power of the Scaled Agile Framework. Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine you're part of a software development company tasked with building a complex, enterprise-level application. You've got multiple teams working on different components, each with their own set of priorities and timelines. Without a proper framework in place, it's easy for things to quickly spiral out of control, with teams stepping on each other's toes, duplicating efforts, and losing sight of the bigger picture. This is where the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, comes in to save the day. SAFe is a battle-tested approach to scaling agile practices across entire organizations, ensuring that everyone from individual team members to high-level executives is on the same page and working towards a common vision. That's why in this video we are going to talk about 4 levels of Scaled Agile Framework. At the heart of SAFe are 4 distinct levels, each serving a specific purpose in ensuring successful agile transformations. Let's break them down. First is team level. This is where the magic happens. At the team level, cross-functional teams work together to deliver increments of value using agile practices like Scrum, Kanban, or XP. These teams are self-organizing, focused on continuous improvement, and empowered to make their own decisions. Second is program level. As teams grow and work on larger initiatives, the program level comes into play. It aligns and coordinates the work of multiple agile teams working on a shared solution or product. This level introduces roles like the release train engineer, who acts as a servant leader, helping to synchronize team cadences, facilitate program events, and remove impediments. Third is the large solution level. Now, let's go back to our software development company example. Imagine you're building a massive, enterprise-level application that requires the coordination of multiple programs. That's where the large solution level comes into play. It introduces specific roles and artifacts to ensure alignment across programs and stakeholders, helping to manage dependencies and mitigate risks. And fourth is portfolio level. At the top of the pyramid, we have the portfolio level. This level provides a strategic vision and ensures that the organization is investing in the right initiatives. It helps align operations and budgets with the overall business strategy, and it's where key investment decisions are made. The true power of SAFe lies in its ability to bring order to chaos, ensuring that everyone from individual contributors to high-level executives is aligned and working towards a common goal. It's a flexible framework that can be tailored to your organization's specific needs and maturity level, and it provides a roadmap for scaling agile practices across the entire enterprise. If you want to take your agile transformation to new heights, we challenge you to explore SAFe further. Check out the SAFe Agile training videos, which contains high-quality lectures that will definitely help you to understand SAFe better. That's all for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more agile insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts and questions about Scaled Agile Framework.